So it's quite a long one, this, but we'll post it on YouTube and then you'll be able to watch it on there all the way through. So the first thing is to take off the cover which covers the pump. At the side of that will be the cover which covers the cables. Then with the table folded down, the cover which sits over the main control board, which sits in here, you need to fold it down because there's one screw on top of this post. Just 2 screws that hold that up. That'll come off, and then you can be able to get the press in this kind of situation where you can access everything that you need to. The front control panel here can come off and out of the way. Now these 2 wires, bit of a bugbear of mine because they're not sheathed. If the press is plugged in, irrespective of whether it's turned on or not, one of these wires will be live. So we need to make sure that the cable is disconnected from the wall and secured so nobody can plug it in before we go anywhere near these 2 cables. So control panel off, which is these 2 wires and this plug, all quite straightforward. And that leaves us then to look at steam generator, which is this thing here. We've also sent a temperature heat shoe temperature sensor, which is this white thing at the back. While the shoe's off, it's always a good idea to change that sensor. If the sensor goes down, it starts blowing fuses. If the fuses don't blow, then the heating shoe will overheat, burn the fabrics, and eventually just pop. So always a good idea to replace that. The steam generator, as you can see, is located up there, and it's fixed by 2 screws up and 2 screws down, and you can wangle it so that you can get at the screws, but it's really the best idea to take the shoe off and work on it like that. The cover here and here can come off. Just 1 screw holds that on, and then you've got these 2 big screws here, one there, and there should be one in there, which holds the shoe onto the stem. Now once they're undone, you'll see that the roller's on top of the shoe, so you can't get it off without leaning it forward. So there's 2 screws, they're Allen keys, I think they're size 8 Allen keys in there. You can take them out. I advise not to. Just loosen them as much as you need to lean this forwards. If you lean this forwards, then it will allow enough room for the shoe to come off. Once it's all disconnected, you can pop it off the top, get it on the table and work on it like that.